Me and Josefina are now in our late 20s.
It's my birthday!
Fiesta, fiesta. Yo soy
The days of doing this,
fiesta. Si te digo la neta del planeta, alcanzar el oro no ha sido sencillo. Tuve que caminar con la luz apagada en 2000 pasillos. Pero mis lágrimas ahora son diamantes que me dan brillo. Y a los que se burlaron de mí, de arriba un beso.
are not over.
My birthday was actually yesterday, but this is my birthday weekend. So we're here skiing, cooking. Now we came super prepared. We got a chair, we got a table, that was my birthday present. And we got a dry food box. And we're super organized. And now we found this perfect spot to sleep, super secret that no one knows about. You can even see the mountain. And yeah, we made it. Today, Thursday, we were able to get 2 runs. We had some problems before leaving the house, but now we're all good.
What would you say to anybody that's turning 29?
Enjoy your life. Fuck what everyone thinks about what you're supposed to do or be doing. Just do whatever you want to do.
I've snowboarded my whole life, and it holds a very special place in my heart. I was once a ski instructor up at Boreal, and it was where me and Josefina met. Both a little older, but with a goal, with an intention for these 4 days of skiing.
This weekend, we're gonna try to learn a backside 360. I always worry about spinning the 270 and then leaning forward onto my toes and catching that toe edge and slamming to my face. I've avoided this trick at all costs for years, forever. And it's one of those tricks that's like a staple, your baseline park trick, your baseline spin. Honestly, the way most people learn how to spin anyway, backside. I always think that learning a new trick or learning something new, it's exciting. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of risk, it takes a lot of adrenaline, and so here I am, learning just like a baseline trick at 27 that I've just put aside my whole life because I didn't want to do it, didn't want to try to spin it, and now I'm here, trying to spin backside.
And the older I get, when it comes to action sports, the more I start feeling like this.
You should not be doing that. Go back to your house. Go back to work. Don't do it.
It's like the alter ego inside of me telling me, don't do it. Don't send it hard, because you have responsibilities now. And you have responsibilities in your late 20s. There is no denying that. And some of us in our late 20s have kids. I do not, so I cannot speak on that, but I do pay rent here in a very expensive place, California. I pay my taxes, I have to pay for car repairs, I pay my insurances, and you name it, it stacks up beyond belief. And the next thing you know, you're like, Do I want to go send that jump? Do I want to go learn how to surf? Do I want to go learn how to snowboard? Do I want to go learn how to mountain bike? Do I even want to do any of those things? Most of the time, the answer has been no. And I think a lot of people in the late 20s decide to shift into this more basic kind of lifestyle of living, which is totally fine. I'm not against that. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. What I'm saying is to try new things. Learn new things, attempt things that you've done in the past and try to do them better.
Yeah, this is gonna be probably like the biggest jump I've ever done in my life. 29. Okay, that was like sky high, right?
No, that was sick. You've got a little ski like kind of tweaking there.
Oh my god, I could like literally feel like I was like lifting my tails and I was like this.
Yeah. We've been kind of lapping that all day, trying to learn these tricks. Josefina is just trying to learn to clear the jump. Well, those are my backside threes. Now we gotta take them to the big jumps, or at least the first big one. All right, we'll try front three. Start off with that.
Okay. Yeah!
All right, we got the front three, got the feel for the jump. Time for the back. Baby. All right, that was attempt one. We're learning this trick today. I landed on my tail. What the heck happened? All right, we got some workshopping to do. It's just like, I felt like I had it and I spun it and then I was like, oh, on my tail. I don't know. I blacked out. I honestly don't know. There's so much adrenaline going. All right, we're done. Done for the weekend. But it was fun, man. That park is so fun. It's so rare that you get a park that you can just like progress and have jump after jump after jump, and all of these features that lead to bigger features. So it's fun getting to learn and that process of like figuring out what works and what doesn't work. Obviously, I wish I would have laced one up on the back 3, but hey, I'm happy that I even attempted. Those were big enough jumps to say they had some consequence to them. So as long as I can kind of get it around, I'm stoked. And I definitely was like trying some different stuff on the rails, like getting those back ones or front boards, which is something that I don't really ever do anyway. So all around, just phenomenal weekend of just progressing on the snowboard, feeling good, even though we live in Santa Cruz. We don't even live up here, so we don't get to be on our boards all the time. It's just been epic to get out here and do what we've been able to do. So stoked.
Happy birthday to me.
It was Josefina's 29th birthday, and she sent it bigger than she's ever sent it on the jumps.
Yeah, that's cool.
29 years old. First time flying.
Stop saying my age.
Times and places are all in who you share them with, and it's life, and the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with.
All right, another night in the van. Waking up to a beautiful sunrise. Hopefully we get some good lines. Eat some breakfast first though. I'm still pretty tired.
And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with.
What are you doing? Disgusting.
This should be trademarked. Spaghetti dog. Hot dog with some spaghetti. Get your proteins and carbs after a long day of snowboarding. That's what I need right here. Spaghetti dog.
Spa dog.